Okay, this video is for the Three Rivers Tuesday Night SolidWorks course. Just got access to Solidprofessor, incredibly valuable gift sent out based on the current situation in the world, and this is really going to help you guys get ready for the CSWA exam. So if you go to your OneDrive and you go to the shared folder where I've given you guys the tests, you should find a folder in there that says Solidprofessor files. You're going to want to download that. I think we can do this by just right-clicking here, download, and let's see where that shows up. All right. Where's that? It's in my downloads folder. I would then copy that to your desktop, your work folder, and extract it. Let me show you what that might look like. So you can then take that out of there. So put it into John's folder. Once you have it in there, you would then extract the files here. All right, and these are all your Solidprofessor files. Now, you don't need to do it this way. You can do it as you're going through Solidprofessor, but I figured I'd get them all organized for you because you guys are used to that. Similar to the lessons with the book that we have, they're all spelled out by the author. So I would recommend downloading those and getting them all set to go. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to log into, you just do a Google search for Solidprofessor. I'm assuming you've already logged in and created your accounts. If you haven't, you're going to need to follow the link I sent in your email and set up your account. Once you log in, you should be able to see, and I think I'm probably still logged in. Let's see. Yes. All right. So if you go to your classes, you're going to want to join this spring CSWA prep class, and in here, if you open this up, you're going to find a bunch of sections with all kinds of lessons. I believe these first two are really just watching the video and just learning about what the process is. What I really like about these lessons is they look identical to what you're going to see on the CSWA exam. So the drafting competencies one is just going to get you familiar with the views. I'll talk more about that at tonight's meeting. Interpreting drawings, really great, showing you how to get started with drawings, and there's models in the folders that I showed you to get started with, and then there are questions that you can answer right in there. Let's just take a look at this one for a moment. What I usually do is play them at 1.5 speed so you can see them a little bit better. Excuse me, a little faster. And then if it's information that's new, you may want to slow it down a little bit. Where it's really great is here when you get into actually doing the models and taking the quiz, because it looks very similar to what you're going to see out there. So here's a download for a PDF file to get you started with this drawing. You can download it and open it, or you can go to the folder that I just shared with you. Either way, and they want you to model this part on your own. So without any advice, they're going to tell you, go ahead and go through and model this part, and they give you the materials, and they make it look very much like what you're going to see on the CSWA exam. And then once you're done modeling the part, if you go to the next lesson here, it's going to ask you hit next lesson, and it's going to ask you what is the